What's up everybody, welcome back to the Raw Visuals YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and those notifications if you like what you see. Also, go ahead and leave the video a like if you like what you see. That's always good to do. But anyway, today we're going to be taking a look at something a little different than we usually do on the channel. It's actually something that we need because when you have a lot of expensive things like I do, if you're a photographer, a videographer, something like that, you're going to have a lot of expensive equipment and you're going to need something to store all that expensive equipment or to actually put that expensive equipment in when you take it to travel certain places. So there's a couple companies out there that make a bunch of these really awesome cases that, you know, the military uses and, you know, stuff like that are made very rugged and very strong, and they're made specifically to protect your investment in your very expensive gear. So a company called Pelican has sent me over one of their flagship products. You might have heard of them. It is their Air 1535 case, and it is the perfect travel size because it is the largest size that you can actually fit in an overhead compartment on an airplane, and they do a lot with a little bit of space in this whole case. So I actually haven't even opened it, so I was a little skeptic at first because I mean it's just like a case. So just really quick, go ahead and pop this thing open because I haven't even looked at it. That already sounds pretty nice. Yes, this is the case you've been looking for. Alright, all jokes aside, this thing is actually really awesome. I've just been playing with it a little bit, and I honestly cannot wait to get to the part where I'm going to put a bunch of my gear in this and show you guys what I can do with it. But this case, just a couple things out of the way real quick. The 1535, this model is based on their old, I believe it's called the 1510 model. And this one is supposed to be, as it says right here, 40% lighter, but still 100% Pelican. And as you can see, it's so light that even a, let's see if you guys can see that. There it is. Doesn't focus. A little butterfly. A little butterfly can just grab it and whisk this thing away off into the sunset. Anyway, so we're gonna go over a couple little key features that I find interesting and that you guys will definitely find interesting as well. And I'll load it with a couple of things from my gear and see how much stuff we can cram into this thing. So let's go over to the table and check out a couple of the features. Okay, so the first thing that stands out to me with this case is just the overall build quality and the construction of it. This thing it may be small, but oh my god, it looks like it's built like a tank. This thing is made of very, very hard ABS plastic, it looks like, and my gosh, it looks like I could probably just toss this thing like right off a bridge and it would just be totally fine. Don't do that, by the way. They don't say you can do that, but I'm just saying this thing looks like if it fell out of like the back of a truck or something like that, all of your gear would totally be fine because this thing is constructed like with the utmost attention to detail in that construction process. Next little feature this thing has is it looks like it has a cool little business card holder right here. So all you got to do is just push up, pull to the side, and pull down. It even has the instructions on there right there for you. To tell you how to do it, but yeah, so this thing right here holds your business cards, and you can just lift this little insert that's already in there out of there and then throw your business card in there, and that way everybody knows whose case it is. And also when you have it with you, you know, maybe it'll deter somebody from actually stealing it because it has your name on it. I mean, I guess they can just take that thing off, but if you do end up checking it ever, these are pretty cool because as you see it come around the turnstile thing, you can actually see that it's your case, so that's a cool little added feature. So next is something that comes pretty much standard in all Pelican cases, and that is the automatic purge valve. So it is designed to keep water and dust out, and it also balances the air pressure within the case. So it's safe to say with features like this, your expensive gear is going to be protected, and to have peace of mind like that is just something that literally can keep your mind off of thinking about if your gear is okay or not, and then you can actually keep your mind on what you're going to do with your gear and not have to worry about it breaking or getting water or, you know, some kind of air pressure while it's in a plane messing with something that may be in that case. So again, talking about the size, they made this thing very light. I mean, you can just, I'm not even trying there, like it is very light. And the size of this thing, it is the maximum size for an carry-on for an airline, and that comes with like a small disclaimer. There are some overhead bins, like on the very small planes, that this obviously will not fit in. Those overhead compartments don't fit the standard, you know, carry-on cases anyway. But for a regular size, like I think it's a 737 or something like that, you should be able to fit this in there just fine, and you should not have any problem getting these on a plane. The latches on the case are actually very strong and they feel very sturdy. They don't feel like I'm just gonna actually like just pull it and break the thing off. And they have this little double hinge type thing on there, which is very cool. It makes it a little bit easier to get your thumb under there and pull the latch up. So they snap right back down, and when you do that, you know that thing is closed and it's not going anywhere. And going along with that, if we're talking about security, there also are two little spots right here where you can put locks on the case itself. Of course, you're gonna have to carry this thing and lug it around, but there are a couple different options for you, which is pretty nice. They got some really cool handles on here. So the first one is on the side right here. This big, tough handle right here. Again, everything is very, very sturdy on this case. I really like that. I like what Pelican is doing with this kind of stuff, but if I turn it up this way, you guys can still see, yeah, you guys can still see that, okay. So we have a handle at the top, so you can grab it like that and carry it on the top as well. And then they have this retractable handle right here on the back of it. Let me turn this so you guys can see it good. Okay, so there's a little retractable handle. So you push this out like that, you pull it out, and then you just pull up, and this handle comes up like that, and it locks into place. And then, yeah, see, you're ready to roll. Okay, so let's open her up one more time. So on the inside, you have a couple of different options. So this whole divider system that I have in here, let me flip this up so you guys can see it, is called the Trek Pack system. So I've actually moved a couple of these around already to do that little intro I did. But these dividers, you can basically, they're modular, you can pull them up, you can put them wherever you want. And they have these little hooks on the side right here. If you guys can see that, let me make that focus. These little hooks right here. And these things basically stick into one of the other ones, like so. And it will go in. And you can basically create your own little divider system however you want it to be. And it comes with these little pull tabs and this accessory bag right here. These red pull tabs you can put on the end of those little markers, and that way you can quickly, you put a pull tab on the end of these little guys right here, and then you can quickly grab it, pull it up, and then you can change the whole system at will, and it makes it very easy. And now that I've gotten to this part, I realize I didn't even show you guys the little accessory bag it comes with, but you get a little bag of accessories that has this cutter, and that is used for you to be able to cut these to the size that you actually want, to be able to you can pretty much customize this case to your own specification, which is really cool. Comes with extra little divider clamps, of course those little pull tabs, and then it comes with a little card that tells you to make sure you measure twice and cut once. That way when you actually make cuts to the foam material, you're not wasting it and you're not going to end up having to spend money to buy more, because it is a little bit pricey to buy more of it. And just to add on to that, you do not have to buy this with the Trek Pack divider system. This is just what I chose because I felt like it would work the best for my use case. It also comes with a padded divider system if you choose, or you can literally just have it with completely, they're laid out with their foam that they have, and then you can cut that foam exactly to your specification as well. That's the classic way that Pelican has done their cases, but this new Trek Pack divider system is the new like modular way of pretty much using foam and being able to customize it exactly to your specifications. Now, another customization option that you have with this case is the fact that the top is actually modular. So this foam comes out like so, and you actually have the option of putting a little pack up top here. Pelican makes these specifically for these cases, and it fits just right in here, and you're able to store like accessories, batteries, memory cards, anything up there that can actually fit. And there's even one that has a little laptop sleeve, so you can also put your laptop and a couple other things in this top part too. So that's really cool that they have that. It's like stock, it just comes with this padded foam so it protects your stuff, but it's a really cool added feature that you can use to expand this even further. Now the only thing we have left to do is actually try to grab a bunch of my photo and video gear and try to get it laid out inside this case and see what I have to do to make sure it all fits and to get this Trek Pack system all cut and perfectly made for my own specifications. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right to that and see how easy or hard this is.
Alright, so after a little while of playing around with everything, I think I got a nice little configuration here that works for me right now. Super simple. I just had to put a couple little dividers right there. Didn't have to do too much cutting, but this little cutting tool they give you is pretty awesome. See how there's like that little divider right in the middle where the blades are? You honestly stick that right in between. Let's see if we can focus this. Come on. Those holes right there, and you just take it and you pull it like this. Pull it with a little hole right there, or you just push it through, and cuts pretpretty easily. My main compartment here, obviously, I'm shooting this on my A6 6500. That's gonna usually go right there next to my A7 III, which right there has a lens on it, because I can't find the freaking body cap for it, so it's sitting there with a lens right now. So obviously, if I find the cap for it, which I need, I can make this even tighter and more compact like I want it to be. Over here, just got my monitor, got a light, basic stuff that I would normally bring with me is what I kind of made this setup for. So only thing that I really didn't get to fit was my Gorilla Pod. It could fit, honestly, like I could just set it on top of all this stuff right here. If I was, honestly, if I'm really traveling, I could just do that right there and it works. So that's not a problem. And of course, I'll always be bringing a backpack with me, so you know I have more room to put stuff in a backpack. But this right here, the main purpose I wanted this to serve is to hold all of my really expensive stuff that I didn't want to like get broken or have any chance of getting broken in some kind of other carry-on, or you know somebody stealing it. So I wanted a nice secure bag or you know case for all this stuff to go in that's really expensive, and we accomplished that. So pretty easy. Just take your time, guys, and you're going to be doing this kind of stuff and putting the dividers in. Make sure you do follow the directions, you know, measure twice, cut once, and I think you'll be pleased with what it does. It's pretty cool, very sturdy, and like when you get stuff in there nice and tight, like this is very satisfying. Like my monitor right here, it fits in there like perfectly. It is the exact perfect width. Look at this, slides right in there. It's pretty awesome. So you know, there's some more tightening up I can do, of course, but for now, I think that's a pretty good setup, and I'm really happy with it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I actually am really stoked on this case, and I cannot wait to take this thing on my future travels. It's going to be a great tool that I can use, and I'm very excited about it. If you guys are interested in getting yourselves one, I will leave a link in the description below, and it will also have a link to my kit.com, which has all of my gear on it if you guys are ever interested in knowing what any of that gear you saw in the video was. And again, if you guys like the video, make sure you guys leave the video a big fat like. I really appreciate that when you guys do that. Make sure you leave me some comments in the description below in the comment section if you guys had any questions about this case or any of the products you saw me put in the case. And if you guys really enjoy my channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn the notifications on so you'll be notified when I put a new video out. And until then, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Keep it on the Raw Visuals channel. There's going to be a lot of really cool stuff coming out pretty soon. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.